Welcome everybody to a quick training on the Chrome extension that's now available within SAM. Once you've installed the Chrome extension, you can click on the icon itself and then put in your information that you want to log in as, your email, then your password, then click on sign in. Once you've signed in, you'll see that it does show you the import groups. Now, these import groups come from the SAM account itself. You can save your different import groups under the browse list. You can click on the down arrow on this and you can choose which import groups you may have. In this case, I've only got one, but there could be multiples in there. You choose that particular import group. And the import group has some predefined settings, some of your milestones, your categories, classifications, your tags, stuff like that. If you've added something to your import group from within SAM and you want to refresh this list, just click on the little refresh button. Once you are ready to sign out and clear out your data, you can certainly click on the sign out. You can also go to SAM by clicking on the link here. The purpose of this particular Chrome extension is to allow you to take any website that's got information on it, and it really doesn't matter if it's HTML formatted or plain text. You can highlight the text, whatever that text is, in whatever format. Right-click on your text and choose SAM Smart Import. You can choose the import from selected group, which will use the default one that you've selected up here, or you can choose from other groups that you may have. Maybe you are on your realtor.com site and you want to just grab some information to import a contact, or maybe you're on Facebook and you've got other groups that maybe you want to import them a little bit different with a few different settings, and certainly do that. You may only have one, but whatever you want. Whenever you click on that item, it will then take that content that's highlighted and it will import it into SAM. Once it's imported, you'll get a little notification. Once the notification comes up, you can click on that notification to open up your contact record. From here, you'll see that it takes the information that was highlighted, it breaks it up into the separate fields. It uses smart, intelligent AI to be able to decipher the information. And then it also sets up those additional fields that you may have based off of the group, including the tags, the types, stuff like that. If there were any information in there that was put into the notes section, you can go into the notes and you can see the note. Basically, the author on that is just the AI imported and what date and time stamp that it was done. Any important information or important date information will be put in here as well. When it was imported, when it was modified. If you're using a specific date field from your group, you can identify that. It'll put it in there, and then you can have a routine set up for that. And then it will also have the import date as well. So that's it. It just gives you a quick and easy way. This is extremely useful for those people that get leads from other websites where you have to log into that website in order to get the lead. It's not coming in as a form or an email or anything like that. You just have to physically go to the website. Now you can go in there, highlight the content that's in there for that contact, and then be able to import it into SAM very quickly, start your routines, and you're off to the races. So if you have any other questions, please reach out. We'll be happy to answer any questions. Have a great day.